Install the trunk accessories. Retro bike model C. Install the trunk bracket aligning the bracket holes with the frame holes. The first two are 40 mm long flange bolts. The last one is a 40 mm long flathead bolt. Tighten the lock nuts. Tighten the bolts with a 10 mm open-end wrench and a Phillips screwdriver. Install the nuts on the bottom of the base plate. Press the nuts all the way down. Place the base plate onto the bracket, centering it correctly. Secure the base plate to the bracket using 4 25 mm long flange bolts. Tighten the 4 lock nuts. Tighten the bolts with a 10 mm open-end wrench and a Phillips screwdriver. Install the trunk. Align the trunk clips with the base plate and snap them in. There is one more bolt inside the trunk that needs tightening. Secure the trunk and base plate with 20 mm long fluffy-add bolts. Install the grab handle. Install the washers on the self-tapping screws and place them on the trunk lid. Install the armrests and tighten them with a Phillips screwdriver. Repeat the same process on the other side to install the armrests. Apply double-sided tape to the inside of the trunk. Attach the upper lining to the inside, paying attention to the orientation of the upper lining pockets. Attach the lower lining directly.